Happy Friday, everyone. We have some big changes on the way for this weekend and next week. So there's a lot to know about that you're going to want to stay updated with this weekend and for next week. I'm going to break down this in a detailed discussion, starting out with the 5-day for Lake Tahoe, just to give you an idea of what we're going to be seeing with cooler temperatures on the way. Check it out, a 10-degree drop for Lake Tahoe tomorrow. That's that cold front pressing through. Region-wide, we'll see temperatures drop 10 degrees from today's high into tomorrow's high, and will stay cool throughout most of next week. All from this low pressure. This low pressure off the Pacific Northwest is continuing to track east. You can see the flow around that low, bringing in cooler air off of the north and northwest. And this is only tracking further east. And as it tracks further east, you'll notice stronger air off of the north and northwest to really drop those temperatures off starting out next week. Now, as far as moisture goes, today most of the moisture is in Northern California and the Pacific Northwest. As we get into the day tomorrow, we'll see more of this moisture dip further south enough to bring more clouds in the skies out there tomorrow, coupled with the cold front to cool us off. But if you notice the tail end of this moisture track, it's going to get dry again. That'll allow more sunshine to press through for Sunday, and that'll warm temperatures back up on Sunday with more drier conditions in store. Here's the timeline of this. Notice the moisture off the Pacific Northwest and the low right here off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. As the low tracks east, it'll carry that cold front into the day today. So as we track this out, by tonight, we'll see the cold front press through and drop those temperatures. Ahead of the front is moisture. Moisture is going to be condensing into showers and clouds in Northern California today, and we'll be getting leftovers this evening in northern Washoe County for shower activity as that front continues to track in. Now, ahead of the front today is going to be increased wind speeds. We'll see these winds sustain around 15 to 20 miles an hour, but some areas, including the Washoe Valley, Virginia City, parts of the range, will be seeing increased winds gusting up to 30 to maybe 40 miles an hour today. With increased winds as well to the basin, that means some dust may be getting kicked up around. We'll still be under the influence of dry air today, though, ahead of that front. That front is carrying the moisture, like I said, into Northern California, with that shower activity already so far this morning off the coast of California. Now, here's the timeline for moisture. We'll see showers and clouds continue to initiate to Northern California today, and this will be tracking east throughout the day. By the later afternoon, we'll probably see those clouds start to press into Nevada, mostly favoring northern Washoe County, with shower activity today favoring northern parts of Washoe County north of Pyramid Lake. That will be in the overnight hours for shower activity tonight. But here's a breakdown. You can see that low. As we track the low, it'll move further east. As it moves east, you can see that cool air on the way. That cool air on the way is sticking around into next week. This is Sunday. Sunday, this low will continue to provide cooler air to drop temperatures. So the next 5 days, we'll have that lower 60 value for tomorrow. Will dry up a bit on Sunday. That'll allow more sunshine and more energy to increase temperatures a bit on Sunday. And then more moisture tracks coupled with that colder air starting out next week for cooler conditions with highs in the upper 50s and an active start to next week.